Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Target Shopping and Savings app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Target app is designed to make shopping smarter, faster, and more rewarding for everyday users. Available on both iOS and Android, the app lets you browse thousands of products across categories like groceries, clothing, electronics, beauty, and home essentials, all from the comfort of your phone. You can choose between delivery, drive-up pickup, or in-store shopping options, and easily check product availability at nearby stores. One of its standout features is the Target Circle Rewards program, which offers exclusive discounts, personalized deals, and 1% earnings on every purchase that can be redeemed on future orders. The app also integrates seamlessly with same-day delivery through Shipt, helping users save time and effort. Barcode scanning, digital coupons, and in-app order tracking make the shopping experience smooth and convenient. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean interface, fast checkout process, and real-time updates on sales and restocks. The drive-up and order pickup features are particularly praised for reliability and speed, letting customers receive their orders in minutes without leaving their car. However, some users report occasional app slowdowns, login issues, or coupon redemption errors. In summary, the Target app may be worth using if you want to save money, earn rewards, and simplify your shopping routine. It's especially valuable for frequent Target shoppers who enjoy the convenience of mobile ordering and same-day delivery. However, if you rarely shop at Target or prefer browsing in-store, you might not benefit as much from the app's advanced features. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.